Hi guys, welcome to this very quick video about some information about Wart freezer or Wart freezer. This is something which you can buy at a lot of supermarkets like Walmart, probably Walgreens, CVS and so on, to remove some small skin parts which you don't want, which are growing sometimes. Usually these are these really small things, and instead of going to a dermatologist you can do it on your own. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So the crazy thing is actually, most people get these annoying skin things. I don't know how they are called anyway. There is some, here we have some picture about how it looks. Of course, usually it's not red, it's just in a like cut picture, but anyway, these are really small skin flaps, and they are not bad, but they look a little bit weird, and so most people try to get rid of these things, and instead of paying a lot of money, you can do that. The problem is only when you buy this at the supermarket, it looks good and you think, okay, yeah, that's good, I take it, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatsoever, cheaper than 200 bucks at the dermatologist. And then you go home and you read the whole thing, and here it comes. When you go down, there are warnings, and then it comes to the when not to use, and it says do not use on person with poor blood circulation. Yeah, okay, I can understand. Do not use in or on the face, armpits, press button, and so on and so on. Don't continue with everything, but anyway, the crazy thing is that exactly the areas which they mention here are exactly the places where most people get these annoying things. And so I decided after some time to go to my dermatologist, and I asked her to remove a couple of these things which were exactly at some of these locations, especially armpit. And what she did, she didn't care about these things. We didn't discuss about these things, but she just did it. And the thing which she the thing which she was using was much stronger than this thing. The thing which they use, you cannot buy in a normal superstore, supermarket or something like that. This is just really weak. Usually, it doesn't even work on all the spots, and the thing which she was using is much stronger, much colder, and she even used it on the skin, armpits, everywhere. She didn't care about this. I'm not saying you can use it on every place, but probably you don't have to be as careful. I'm not a medical doctor or something like that. Usually you have to be a little bit careful, and especially you have to be careful around your eyes. It can be really dangerous, but like quite far away from your eyes on and the face should work. Actually, I don't see any problem, but it's not professional medical information. It's just my experience. It's just what I have seen and experienced, and yeah, she did it. It was a good success. It was no problem at all. Was a little bit of pain, and she did it, but you can do, I think, most of these things you can do on your own, and if it doesn't work, you still can go but to dermatologist. But they ask for a lot of more money, and so I wouldn't be too worried, but I mean, it's your decision. You have to decide, do your own research, maybe better than just watching my video. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of confidence that it's probably not as bad as they describe here in the description. And yeah, but would be interesting to learn from you what's your experience, what you think about that. Maybe we have some kind of expert here, yeah, as a viewer, maybe somebody who has really is a medical doctor or something like that, who can give us some real proof advice on that. But yeah, just this is just my personal experience. I just wanted to share it with you. Hope it helps. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.